Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cigarette maker is probably one of the most fascinating and intricate pieces of machinery you'll ever encounter, transforming raw tobacco leaves into the familiar cigarettes we know, a process involving precise cutting, rolling, and filtering, all orchestrated by a marvel of engineering that demands precision and efficiency, making it a captivating subject for any curious mind. Number 5. Powermatic 2 Plus Injector. Get ready to experience the next generation of cigarette injectors. It's faster, more efficient, and produces higher quality cigarettes than ever before. This improved motor significantly speeds up the injection process. You'll save valuable time and effort with each use. We've enhanced the gears for smoother operation and increased durability. It's built to last and provide consistent performance. Experience a 25% increase in power, resulting in fewer jams and a more reliable injection process. Enjoy a smoother, more efficient experience. It's versatile enough to handle both king-size and 100mm cigarettes. It adapts to your needs, providing consistent results every time. Upgrade your cigarette making experience today. It's the perfect blend of speed, power, and reliability. What we like. This cigarette injector boasts a powerful motor and improved gears for a smoother, faster rolling experience. If you value speed and efficiency in your cigarette making, this is the machine for you. It's perfect for those who want to make a large number of cigarettes quickly and easily. Number 4. Hawk-Matic 2 Hong Kong Dollars Injector. This is the 2 Hong Kong dollars, your new solution for effortless cigarette making. It's designed for both king and 100mm tubes, making it incredibly versatile. With its user-friendly design, creating perfect cigarettes is a breeze. The large hopper lets you make several before refilling. It's built with a durable aluminum alloy mechanism, ensuring long-lasting performance. Plus, its whisper-quiet operation makes it a pleasure to use. It automatically keeps track of how many cigarettes it has made. This counter is displayed for easy monitoring. Each injector undergoes rigorous quality checks during production. You can see the number of test injections on the display, ensuring you're getting a reliable product. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 1-year warranty or 20,000 injections, whichever comes first. Make sure to keep your order ID for warranty purposes. What we like. This injector comes with a 1-year warranty and an automatic counter for tracking your production. If you need a durable and reliable machine with a guarantee, this is a great option. The aluminum alloy construction ensures longevity, making it perfect for regular use. What people say. The top 2 machines, IMO, are this one and one that is about $10 to $15 more expensive. I went with this one based on the price with a bit of hesitation because I saw more than a few complaints that it rolls them kind of loose, leaves the beginning or end empty, it busts cheap tubes, or it won't fully fill a 100mm tube, and that was what I needed it to fill. After about the third one, I realized that if you just pack the chamber pretty full from one end to the other, you get a tight, perfectly rolled cigarette every single time. At this time I have made 4,650 cigarettes. This has been a very impressive machine. Fast and easy, I personally can make 32 cigarettes in 5 minutes. Buying tobacco by the pound and empty cigarette tubes, I'm paying about $1.50 a pack. I've tried other cigarette making machines, and this one is the one to buy. Works easy and fast, making perfect cigarettes. Easy to use also. Number 3. Hawk-Matic 2 Hong Kong Dollars Injector. This is the 2 Hong Kong dollars, your new solution for effortless cigarette making. It's designed for both king and 100mm tubes, making it incredibly versatile. It automatically counts each injection, giving you precise control and tracking. This feature ensures you know exactly how many cigarettes you've made. It boasts a durable aluminum alloy mechanism, built to last. The quiet operation makes it a pleasure to use. Using it is a breeze. The large flip-top hopper holds enough tobacco for 6 to 7 cigarettes before needing a refill. Every 2 Hong Kong dollars injector undergoes rigorous quality checks. You can see the injection count on the display, confirming its quality and functionality. It comes with a 1-year warranty or 20,000 injections, whichever comes first. Your order ID is your warranty number. What we like. This model offers the same durability and reliability as the previous one, along with the added convenience of an automatic counter. If you appreciate precise tracking of your cigarette production and a long-lasting machine, this is an excellent choice. The aluminum alloy ensures it will stand the test of time. What people say. The top two machines, IMO, are this one and one that is about $10 to $15 more expensive. I went with this one based on the price with a bit of hesitation because I saw more than a few complaints that it rolls them kind of loose, leaves the beginning or end empty, it busts cheap tubes, or it won't fully fill a 100mm tube, and that was what I needed it to fill. While waiting for my new machine to arrive, I went to a local smoke shop to get a better idea of what I would need and how much my new monthly costs would be after the initial purchase of the machine. For two 16-ounce bags of menthol tobacco and 4 100mm menthol tubes, my new monthly cost is less than $50, approximate $45.75. So, I got my machine and began my learning process. After about the third one, I realized that if you just pack the chamber pretty full from one end to the other, you get a tight, perfectly rolled cigarette every single time. I have now rolled over 800 and it takes less time each time I sit down to roll 200 at a time. I even use the cheapest tubes and the cheapest tobacco without issue. No tears, no gaps, no binding of the machine based on tobacco length, cut or flavor, and the machine is really easy to clean between uses with the tools provided. The only sound the machine makes is after you press down the lever and the tobacco is forced into the tube. It kind of reminds me of the sound an old Polaroid camera makes. The counter on mine works perfectly and it arrived at a 0 count. It can get messy, so be prepared for that and make sure you have an easy setup for cleanup after each use. I definitely recommend you clean your machine after each use to keep it in proper working order. At this time I have made 4,650 cigarettes. This has been a very impressive machine. Fast and easy, I personally can make 32 cigarettes in 5 minutes. Buying tobacco by the pound and empty cigarette tubes I'm paying about $1.50 a pack. I've tried other cigarette making machines, and this one is the one to buy. Works easy and fast, making perfect cigarettes. Easy to use also. Number 2. Scotte Manual Cigarette Rolling Machine. It's made of metal and ABS materials with a baked surface for durability. You can easily create perfect cigarettes quickly and conveniently, saving you money. Simply fill the hopper, insert the tube, and turn the crank. It automatically ejects the finished cigarette, and you can adjust the length for a perfect fit. The smooth handle and non-slip base ensure comfortable and stable use. It makes cigarettes evenly in just 2 seconds, preventing jams. This portable roller comes with cleaning tools, making it the perfect present for any smoker. It's ideal for holidays like Father's Day or Christmas. Each machine is thoroughly checked before shipment. If you have any issues, we'll provide a solution within 24 hours. Buy with confidence. What we like. This manual cigarette rolling machine is easy to use and built to last. If you prefer a simple, hands-on approach and appreciate a sturdy, durable design, this is the perfect option. It's great for those who enjoy a more traditional method of cigarette making. What people say. Nice pull, levers and handle are smooth. Decent size loading area. Feet are straight and strong, feels good. The LED light is handy. The action mechanics are so smooth, easy and actually kind of fun to use. It feels solidly made. It also seems like there is far less waste than the other machines, and that it is far more forgiving in terms of how moist or dry the tobacco is, when you put it through. The machine itself is shrink-wrapped with really strong and sturdy plastic. The machine has a small well-type place for putting your tobacco, to slide down from, instead of it going everywhere. The tube length adjuster is permanently attached, so no chance of misplacing or losing it, and it clicks as you adjust to several lengths, rather than just 2. Every single cigarette turned out perfectly, evenly distributed tobacco throughout the entire cigarette, no gaps, no empty space at the end, and no wrinkles or crinkles. Nozzle insert tip is metal, won't crumble away, and pretty small, no more problems with out-of-shape filters not inserting, the little light helps too, no power supply failing or not strong enough torque to do the job, no plastic parts, very sturdy and strong. Number 1. Top-O-Matic Roller. Get ready to experience the future of cigarette rolling. This innovative machine makes creating your own cigarettes easier than ever before. It features a shorter spoon, making it comfortable and convenient to use. Enjoy effortless rolling every time. The stainless steel chamber ensures long-lasting durability and easy cleaning. It's built to withstand daily use. It also includes a chamber reducer, giving you the flexibility to create both king-size and 100mm cigarettes. Enjoy the perfect size, every time. The comfortable handle makes rolling a breeze. You'll appreciate the smooth, efficient operation. We stand behind its quality. It comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This machine features a stainless steel chamber and a shorter spoon for improved efficiency. If you are looking for a high-quality machine with a refined design and a manufacturer's warranty, this is a great choice. The improved design makes for a superior rolling experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.